Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, so started off the day with slight bullish flow. Bear flow took over. We didn't have convergence for a good portion of that bullish flow, and then of course we got that dip down. If you watched last night's video, we said 662 was a spot to eye. We got just below that before recovering, and we obviously finished with our first red decks in a few sessions as that went along. Jumping into our customer sentiment and our whale targets. All right, so 667 is the current top target, so we have seen some walk up there throughout the week, and then 650 is still our lower target with the 662 as support, which is where we bounced today. Customers still have no idea what they're doing. They went more neutral today on the pullback, so they are not doing well. Again, not the best metric at the moment. Jumping into our gamma, we're at 663 and some change in the overnight session, so we're technically sitting on our biggest pull between our 666 and 656 positive bars there, those goalposts. So still a wide range here. We've got this positive gamma cluster up here to 668, and then a nice wide range down to 656, if we start to have more bearish Momo. Biggest pull is still 650. Going to keep an X on that still, like we said last night, until we start to see more downside momentum. Jumping into tomorrow, let's take a look and see where we sit right now and overnight and what that could mean. So we're right around here in between these two levels in the overnight session. So not as clean of a look. We have 666 down to 661 really as that range right there, and then a positive gamma cluster right here. We'd have to lose at 661, 660 to get down to 658. So really, we need to get bearish flow and lose these two levels to get down to that 658 range, or we end up sticking between this range right here, which is still a nice $5 range if we trade that all day tomorrow. So just keep an eye on flow and convergence, and then go from there, and keep an eye obviously on the 0 day a little bit as well to see if any pulls in these directions, left or right, are working. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.